Hello, my name is Dr. Mushtaq Kamar and I am herbalist and researcher. Dystrophin protein and Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Did you know how important the protein dystrophin plays in muscular dystrophy? DMD, the largest known human gene, provides instructions for making a protein called dystrophin. This protein is located primarily in muscles used for movement, skeletal muscles, and in heart, cardiac, muscle. Small amounts of dystrophin are present in nerve cells in the brain. Dystrophin protein plays an important role in strengthening muscles and changing hormones, corrects chromosomes X gene 1 defects. Herbal protein is a new hope of life for genetic patients. Many times, the dystrophin protein has been administered to genetic patients, which has given the patients considerable strength and improved disease progression. We cannot say that the disease will be completely cured, but seeing the improvement of the patient, it is definitely felt that a new life has come into the patient. Patients who previously could only lie down now try to sit up and can sit up to the point where they can now stand up well. Similarly, the success of the dystrophin protein can be measured by how successful the experiment has been. When dystrophin protein was given to a patient with adrenoleukodystrophy, the patient's joints began to open and the body began to restore strength. In particular, neuron disorders, muscle disorders and cell disorders are corrected with the help of dystrophin protein. This dystrophin protein is a special natural herbal medicine specially formulated for genetic disorders which successfully helps to cure genetic disorders. This medicine is currently available in Pakistan and aspirants can get guidance just by calling our phone number showing on your screen. Subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching the video.